Hey, what's up, AXS Infinity? I have something very special information about AXS Infinity because my brother, as you can see here, just in only minus 6.5% the price were lost now. So you know what's the reason, my friends, they will fail us down. What we need to do, my friend, to be safe from loss and get a profit. So in this video, everything I'm going to explain you. But kindly, if you are new to my channel, you will need to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. My brother, as you can see here, this time AXS Infinity were fails down for a short time, but after this I am 100% sure today will moving upward now. Everybody knows this, my friends, to win a coin where fails down, so definitely, my friend, after a fail every coin will pumps up. So therefore I will notify you to kindly hold it, don't sell it. If you just and only hold, so I will give you guarantee to AXS Infinity will make you millionaire now. Everybody knows this, to the end of month every coin will move upward, but especially when short time investors starting selling, so the coin will fails down. So you need, my friends, to stop selling, and definitely if you hold just only for 5-6 days, my friend, so I will give you guarantee to they will make you millionaire now. 73.19 USD dollar is the current price, and 78.27 USD dollar, this is the highest price. I know to upcoming days the price will increasing. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.